You've probably seen those "We buy houses for cash" signs around town. They're on street corners and telephone poles, sometimes even stuck in the ground near busy intersections. But how do those companies actually work? And why do homeowners use them instead of selling the traditional way? Cash home buyers help homeowners who want to sell their house quickly or simply don't want to deal with the traditional home selling process. That means no cleaning up for showings, no waiting months for the right buyer, and often no repairs required. Cash buyers are often used in situations where selling quickly or simply matters more than getting top market price. For example, someone may have inherited a property they don't want to maintain. Maybe they're tired of being a landlord and dealing with tenants. Or they're facing financial hardship, foreclosure risk, or own a home that needs major repairs they can't afford. The company will often first ask questions and evaluate the property. They look at things like the home's condition, its location, the current market, and what repairs or updates may be needed. After reviewing the property, the company will make a cash offer. The homeowner can take time to review the offer and decide whether they want to accept it or decline it. If the homeowner accepts the offer, the next step is closing, which is where you will get your proceeds check. It's important to note most cash buying companies purchase homes as is, which means the homeowner doesn't need to fix anything before selling. Another major advantage of selling for cash is the incredible speed of the transaction. Many cash sales close in 7 to 21 days, compared to traditional home sales that often take 30 to 60 days or longer. There is less financial risk when accepting a cash offer because it does not depend on loan approval. If you're exploring different ways to sell a home, understanding how cash buyers work can help you decide whether it's the right option for you.